Mamata Banerjee has hit out at Prime Minister Modi after attending the DM's meet. She's called that the Prime Minister is so insecure that he did not listen to us. Only some BJP chief ministers, and he did a small speech and finished it. We feel humiliated is what the chief minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, is saying. Remember, the Prime Minister just held a meeting with DMs, 54 of them, across 10 states, in which a few other chief ministers like Uddhav Thackeray and Mamata Banerjee were also present. But she says that he did not listen to anybody. The Prime Minister only made a small speech. This is humiliation, is what Mamata Banerjee is saying.
To speak what they think. Are we the bonded labor or are we the puppet? Only what his master voice, their matter, and opposition is no matter. They have demolished the federal structure. They have forgotten the constitutional provisions. They have violated the COVID norms. They didn't allow us to speak how to control the COVID pandemic. The medicines are not available. The oxygens are not available. The remdesivir available. And vaccine also, I do not know how long. If we accept his formula, then it may take 10 years to give vaccine to all. Then so many persons will die. Even you have seen so many young generations. We have to give vaccine to them. I have written a letter to Prime Minister so many times that please provide us vaccine. We want to give from 18 years. 18 years plus 45 years plus 60 years, all we want to give universal vaccine. Even if you give us the procurement for vaccine, then we may pay also. Because Bengal, we have already purchased 60 crores rupees the vaccine we advance for private purchasing. But sometimes it is not available. So where will get? We have our good infrastructure. Our doctor sisters also, they are working. They are working in a very good manner. That's why the present situation, I can tell you, Bengal, that though the vaccine speed is very low, they are not giving us the vaccine. But instead of that, now our weekly positive rate is coming down. Current positive rate is around 28.7%, lower from highest positivity rate 32.8%. And death rate is significantly lower, 0.69% in this phase of COVID-19. We have 234 COVID hospitals, 184 government and 41 requisition private hospitals. We have 40,000.
Okay, I stand humiliated is what the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, is now saying after meeting the Prime Minister. Surya Agni is with us for more details on that. And she's also gone on to say that the situation has improved. However, lots of issues like black fungus, for example, was not raised in a meeting. The Prime Minister's meeting was just about his speech, is what she's saying.
Well, Sneha, absolutely. And we are seeing how the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, is attacking the Prime Minister. This is not the first time that, there has been a war of words between the centre and the state, especially Bengal, and the centre, in relation to the ongoing COVID pandemic. In this particular one, the Chief Minister, she is stating that, she's questioning the point of having these meetings with Chief Ministers and DMs. And she is stating that she feels humiliated, and it's not only her, but also the other chief ministers who are apparently ready with documents and wanted to speak. She's speaking of the West Bengal government, but they were not allowed to speak. This is what she is saying. Now, time and again, Mamata Banerjee has blamed the BJP central government, the BJP-led central government, to be responsible for the ongoing COVID surge, especially in West Bengal. Once again, she stated today that the 8-phase elections were not necessary. They could have, clubbed the last 4 phases of the election in one particular day. That would have at least, at least restricted the COVID situation that which has hit West Bengal as well. However, she goes on to say that the situation in West Bengal is a bit better than what it was, and the recovery rate is pretty normal, and and then people are recovering. But somewhere she is blaming the central government, especially the BJP, or to be very to be very clear, she is blaming the Prime Minister for the ongoing pandemic, especially when it comes to West Bengal. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, Surya Agni, in fact, she's also spoken about the fact that there are some issues that concern all of us, but the Prime Minister hasn't really bothered to touch upon those issues. For example, the spread of mucormycosis, isn't it?
Absolutely. If you just listen to her, she is what she is saying. This is not something new. Even during the first wave, even during when Amphan happened, Mamata Banerjee has claimed that the center has not helped them. The center has not helped the state of West Bengal the way it should have. Even for today, she speaks on this black fungus issue, which is, taking a lot of states in the country in its grip. What she says is that the Prime Minister should have addressed this. And not only black fungus, but also the the cases of the bodies, floating in rivers. She takes a dig at the Prime Minister, saying that this is what Namami Ganga was about. Now,
I'll just come back to you, Surya Agni. Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP is with us. The Prime Minister is insecure, is what the West Bengal Chief Minister is saying that she didn't even let us speak or raise the issues that concern the people of West Bengal. For example, I feel humiliated, and other chief ministers also feel humiliated. How do you react?
We all know the anarchist side of Mamata Banerjee and how post-result violence spread in West Bengal. And then the Kolkata High Court is hearing a plea where she is shielding the corrupt. But today we have discovered how a sitting chief minister has a very fragile ego. She is not concerned about the people of West Bengal. The only thing she is concerned about is her ego and her image. Because when the Prime Minister of the country convenes a meeting, there are many things that are discussed within the meeting. To come out like this and to cast aspersions on the central government and the Prime Minister itself shows that she is not one of the leaders who would lend a shoulder to fight this pandemic. Rather, she is busy fighting the Prime Minister of the country.
All right. Gaurav Bhatia, thanks for joining us with your perspective on that story. So the slugfest essentially between the TMC and the BJP continues, with Mamata Banerjee making those allegations. The chief ministers weren't allowed to speak, and as always, it was a monologue when it comes to the Prime Minister, is what Mamata Banerjee is saying. Surya Agni, thanking you as well for your inputs on that.